TextLogics offers a direct, cost-effective solution for managing SMS and MMS campaigns by integrating seamlessly with your existing Twilio accounts. This integration helps you cut down costs by up to 75%, making it an efficient choice for communication management. Let's begin by logging into the TextLogics platform. Once logged in, you'll find managing user access to the TextLogics platform straightforward with our user-friendly tools. To add new users, simply enter their email addresses and assign the appropriate roles. This action will send them an invitation to join the platform, enabling them to access the features you've granted them. TextLogics streamlines the management of senders connected to your Twilio account. You can review detailed information about each sender to ensure accuracy and proper setup. Easily import toll-free numbers, 10 DLC numbers, and short codes into the system for use in your messaging campaigns. This functionality allows you to consolidate your messaging resources in one place. Organizing your contacts within TextLogics is efficient and flexible. You can view comprehensive contact details to understand more about each contact's status and history. Edit or delete contacts as necessary to keep your contact list up to date. You can also download lists of all contacts, subscribed contacts, or unsubscribed contacts for offline review or external use. You can manually add contacts when needed to ensure your list is comprehensive and includes all relevant individuals. Grouping contacts allows for more effective management and segmentation. Quickly view detailed information about each group to understand its composition and how it fits into your overall messaging strategy. You can utilize a form snippet that you can integrate into your website for capturing new subscribers. Customize the form's source, add legal disclaimers, and adjust CSS styles to match your branding. Easily create and configure new groups by setting up autoresponders, uploading images, and selecting the sender associated with the group. This helps in automating responses and managing group-specific content. You can access the list of contacts associated with each group by clicking on the group name, providing insights into the reach and engagement of each segment. Importing contacts into TextLogics is designed to be straightforward. Click on Import Contacts, assign a name to the import, and select the file you wish to upload. Verify numbers using Twilio Lookup if you enable the Verify Mobile Numbers option. This ensures that the numbers you import are valid and mobile, enhancing the quality of your contact list. Watch as new contacts are promptly added to your system, making them available for your upcoming campaigns. Setting up keyword campaigns is straightforward with TextLogics. You can create new keyword campaigns by entering the campaign name, keyword, and any necessary autoresponder messages or files. This allows you to automate responses based on keywords received from contacts. Select the group where contacts will be added upon signing up for the keyword, ensuring they are appropriately categorized. Easily view detailed information about each keyword campaign to monitor its performance and effectiveness. Creating and managing bulk messaging campaigns is efficient and flexible. Provide a name and content for your campaign, and upload any relevant files that you want to include in your messages. Select the group that will receive the message, and choose whether to send it immediately or schedule it for a later date. Review the details of your scheduled campaign to ensure everything is set up as intended. With TextLogics, you can start sending SMS and MMS campaigns within minutes. The platform simplifies communication strategies through a robust and intuitive approach, making it an excellent choice for those who prioritize efficiency and cost-effectiveness in their messaging efforts.